Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to Happy Fasting Fun. I'm Kate, and today we're diving into an exciting realm where fasting and muscle gain intersect. Yes, you heard that right. We're exploring how intermittent fasting can actually work in favor of your muscle-building goals. So grab your protein shake and join me as we unveil the strategies and tips for leveraging fasting on your muscle journey. The muscle game. Before we dive into the details, let's set the stage. Building muscle is a dynamic process that requires the right balance of nutrition, training, and recovery. Intermittent fasting introduces an intriguing twist to this game, challenging conventional eating patterns. The fasting window and muscle fuel. Now, let's dissect the fasting window. Contrary to popular belief, fasting doesn't necessarily spell doom for muscle gain. During fasting, your body taps into stored energy, including glycogen and fat, to fuel itself. This process can actually promote fat loss while preserving muscle mass. Timing matters. Fasting and workouts. Timing is crucial when it comes to fasting for muscle gain. Consider aligning your eating window with your workout hours. This way, you can maximize nutrient intake around training, providing your muscles with the building blocks they need. Prioritizing protein intake. The cornerstone of muscle growth. During your eating windows, ensure that protein takes center stage in your meals. Protein-rich foods provide amino acids that aid in muscle repair and growth. Navigating nutrient timing. Intelligent nutrient timing is your ally. Break your fast with a blend of protein and carbohydrates post-workout to kickstart recovery and replenish muscle glycogen stores. Embracing healthy fats and complex carbs. Healthy fats and complex carbohydrates play a vital role. Embrace foods like avocados and whole grains to provide sustained energy and support overall muscle health. Balancing fasting and caloric needs. While fasting can support muscle gain, remember that you still need to meet your caloric needs. Undereating can hinder muscle growth, so ensure you're consuming enough calories to fuel your gains. As we wrap up our muscle-fueled journey, remember that intermittent fasting can indeed be a valuable tool for muscle gain. With strategic nutrient timing, balanced meals, and attention to your caloric intake, you can make fasting work in harmony with your muscle-building endeavors. If this exploration fueled your curiosity, show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that notification bell. Embrace the potential of intermittent fasting to amplify your muscle journey. May your gains be mighty and your dedication unwavering. Until we meet again, happy fasting, and may your muscle journey be as inspiring as it is fulfilling.